Imagine this. You wake up one morning and suddenly realize you can't get out of bed without help. For millions of seniors, this isn't just a bad day. It's a life-altering reality driven by a silent epidemic that's robbing them of independence, muscle loss. As you watch this video, consider this sobering fact. Every hour, about 38 older adults are hospitalized due to conditions linked to muscle deterioration, conditions that are often preventable. This crisis is tearing families apart and pushing nursing homes to their limits. But what if I told you there's a way not only to stop this process, but to reverse it? Groundbreaking research from Harvard Medical School has uncovered a surprising truth. Certain foods contain powerful compounds that can rebuild muscle, even in your 70s and 80s. Even more shocking, the number one food on our list isn't sitting in your fridge, but it outperformed prescription drugs in clinical trials. Yes, you heard that right. Two-thirds of participants using this food showed restored muscle mass, something many doctors once believed was lost forever. In one study, 9 out of 10 seniors who added this food to their diet saw significant muscle recovery in just 6 weeks. Curious? Check the link in the description for details based on your location, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health Guide for more science-backed health insights. Now, let's count down the top 10 foods that support muscle preservation and recovery. Number 3 will truly surprise you. 10. Low-fat lean beef. Lean beef is one of the best sources of complete, high-quality protein. A 4-ounce serving packs about 25 grams of protein with a rich amino acid profile that perfectly supports muscle growth. Especially important is leucine, a key amino acid that activates the mTOR pathway, crucial for muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to growth signals, so upping leucine intake becomes vital. Beef also provides creatine, essential for muscle energy. While young bodies produce it naturally, aging reduces this ability, making dietary sources more important than ever. 9. Fatty fish salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s like EPA and DHA, which combat inflammation, a major driver of age-related muscle loss. A 4-ounce salmon serving offers about 20 grams of complete protein and key amino acids for repair and maintenance. Omega-3s improve how your muscles respond to protein, meaning you get more out of what you eat. Older adults who ate fatty fish twice a week lost less muscle over 3 years compared to those who didn't, according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Plus, fatty fish deliver vitamin D, crucial for bone and muscle health. Aim for 2 servings per week and opt for wild-caught when possible. If cooking fish isn't ideal, quality fish oil supplements are a solid backup, but whole foods remain the gold standard. 8. Nuts and seeds. Though not as protein-dense as meat, nuts and seeds bring a nutrient-rich punch. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds offer healthy fats, antioxidants, and muscle-supporting minerals. A quarter cup of almonds gives you 6 grams of protein plus magnesium, essential for muscle contractions and energy. Low magnesium levels can lead to faster muscle loss and more frequent cramps. Walnuts are rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce inflammation. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc, which supports testosterone production, a hormone vital for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Nuts and seeds are also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from age-related damage. Studies from Tufts University show that seniors with higher vitamin E levels experience less muscle decline over time. To reap the benefits, enjoy 1 to 2 ounces of unsalted mixed nuts and seeds daily. Pre-portion them to avoid overeating. They're calorie-dense but incredibly valuable. 7. Beans and legumes, the underrated muscle protectors. Beans and legumes might not get as much attention as meat or fish, but they're a hidden gem when it comes to preserving muscle mass in seniors. While 1 cooked cup provides a modest 15 grams of protein, the real magic lies in their unique combination of plant protein and resistant starch, a special carbohydrate that fuels the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Why does gut health matter for your muscles? Emerging research shows a strong link between the gut microbiome and muscle strength. A healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, which is a major contributor to muscle decline as we age. Beans are also packed with fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This prevents insulin spikes and crashes that can lead to muscle breakdown. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas stand out for their rich content of potassium, magnesium, and iron, 3 minerals vital for muscle function, but often lacking in older adults' diets. Iron deficiency, in particular, can impact oxygen delivery to muscles, reducing energy and endurance. In fact, research from Tufts University found that seniors who ate legumes at least 4 times a week had significantly better muscle maintenance over 5 years compared to those who ate them less often. To get the most benefit, aim for 3 to 4 servings per week. If you're new to legumes, start small to avoid digestive discomfort, and consider soaking dried beans overnight to reduce gas-causing compounds. Canned beans are a convenient option. Just choose low-sodium varieties and rinse them well. Add them to soups, smoothies, salads, or sauté with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. Aka 6. Eggs, small but mighty. When it comes to muscle preservation, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Affordable, versatile, and loaded with high-quality protein. While many focus only on egg whites, it's the whole egg that delivers the full benefit. A single large egg offers about 6 grams of complete protein and is especially rich in leucine, an amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, an essential function that slows down with age. The yolk contains roughly half of the egg's protein, along with vitamin D, healthy fats, and other key nutrients that support muscle health. In fact, a study from the University of Illinois showed that consuming whole eggs after exercise produced a 40% greater muscle-building response than eating egg whites alone, despite having the same total protein. Many older adults have avoided eggs due to cholesterol concerns, but modern research shows that eating up to 7 eggs a week is generally safe and may even help improve cholesterol levels. For the best results, try adding 1 or 2 eggs per day to your routine, especially at breakfast, when many people consume less protein. Hard-boiled eggs make for a no-fuss snack, perfect for seniors with limited time or energy to cook. 5. Extra virgin olive oil, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. You might not think of olive oil as muscle food, but extra virgin olive oil offers remarkable anti-inflammatory benefits that are critical for aging muscles. It contains oleocanthal, a compound with effects similar to ibuprofen. This helps reduce chronic inflammation, a key driver of muscle breakdown in older adults. Research from the University of Louisiana found that oleocanthal specifically targets enzymes involved in the breakdown of muscle proteins. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, ensuring your body uses dietary protein more effectively for muscle maintenance. Its healthy monounsaturated fats support hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age but are essential for muscle retention. A long-term study from the Predimed project found that seniors following a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil experienced increased muscle strength and reduced frailty over 5 years. For daily support, include 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in your meals. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle over steamed veggies, or cook with it at low heat. Store it in a dark glass bottle, away from heat, and check the harvest date to ensure freshness. Dark 4. Berries, antioxidant shields for your muscles. They may not look like muscle food, but berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, play a crucial role in protecting aging muscles from oxidative stress. As we age, our muscles become more vulnerable to damage from free radicals. The anthocyanins and polyphenols found in berries help neutralize these harmful compounds, preserving the integrity of muscle cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy engines inside our cells. A study from Tufts University showed that eating blueberries not only boosts athletic performance, but also improves muscle recovery in older adults. Berries also help modulate cytokines, signaling molecules involved in inflammation. While some inflammation is beneficial for muscle repair, chronic inflammation accelerates muscle loss. Berries make a great snack or dessert alternative, fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal for a sweet, muscle-friendly boost. 3. Leafy greens, the nitrate secret. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient powerhouses that support muscle preservation in more ways than one. Their secret weapon, natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that improves blood flow. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to your muscles and faster waste removal. 2 things that become increasingly important as we age. The Kalinska Institute found that nitrates significantly enhance muscle function, particularly in older adults with reduced blood flow. These greens are also packed with electrolytes, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all essential for proper muscle contraction and preventing cramps. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. To get the full benefit, aim to include leafy greens in your diet at least 4 times a week. Try adding them to scrambled eggs, blending into smoothies, or sautéing with olive oil and garlic. 2. Leafy greens, vitamin K for stronger muscles. Leafy greens aren't just rich in fiber and minerals, they're also one of the best sources of vitamin K, a nutrient gaining attention for its critical role in protein metabolism and muscle function. A 2015 study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that older adults with higher vitamin K intake experienced significantly less age-related muscle loss. To maximize these benefits, aim for at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily. Whether it's spinach, kale, arugula, or Swiss chard, these vegetables offer a powerful boost to muscle maintenance and overall vitality. Number 1. Greek yogurt, the ultimate muscle-friendly snack. Topping our list is Greek yogurt, a standout choice for seniors focused on preserving muscle mass. What sets it apart from regular yogurt is its straining process, which removes excess liquid and doubles the protein content. Just one 6-ounce serving delivers 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, slowly digested to provide a steady supply of amino acids. Perfect for preventing muscle breakdown throughout the day and especially overnight. Having Greek yogurt before bed is a smart strategy to reduce nighttime muscle loss during fasting hours. But the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all vital for bone health and optimal muscle function. Its probiotic content also supports gut health, which plays an increasingly recognized role in nutrient absorption and inflammation control, both essential for strong muscles. To get the most out of it, choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with no added sugar. Avoid pre-flavored versions, which are often packed with sweeteners. Instead, add natural flavor with berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Aim to enjoy Greek yogurt 3 to 4 times a week, particularly as an evening snack or post-workout meal. Bonus tip: whey protein, simple, effective, and proven. If you're looking for an additional protein boost, whey protein is an excellent option. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that seniors who regularly consumed whey protein experienced improvements in muscle strength, balance, and physical performance, even without exercise. For best results, consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein daily, ideally within 30 minutes after exercise to maximize muscle recovery and growth. Choose whey isolate or concentrate that's minimally processed and free from added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, consider hydrolyzed whey, which is easier to digest. Blend it into a smoothie with berries and Greek yogurt for a nutrient-packed meal that supports muscle preservation. Final thoughts. These are the top 10 muscle-preserving foods every adult over 60 should consider. But remember, maintaining muscle mass isn't just about appearance. It's about staying independent, preventing falls, boosting metabolism, and improving your quality of life. By adding these nutrient-rich foods to your weekly routine, you can slow or even reverse age-related muscle loss. Have you tried any of these foods? Noticed improvements in strength or energy? Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-focused content designed for vibrant aging.